I'm Haley Cooprider, the Elementary Literacy Coordinator for Wight County Schools, back with another Coop's Quick Clips. Now that we've talked about reading assessments that are required by the VDOE, let's talk about some local assessments that Wight County Schools chooses to administer. The first is another screener we use in grades 2 through 5. It is called Star Reading, and it helps us determine if students are at risk for grade level reading skills. We use screening data to help determine interventions for students. Students are identified as needing a Tier 3, Tier 2, watch list, or Tier 1 intervention. In grades 3 through 5, we are also using the STAR test instead of the Virginia Growth Assessment. Therefore, this one counts as a local and a state test. Another local assessment we give are benchmarks. Reading benchmarks are useful because they help determine if our students are on track for the Reading SOL test. A benchmark in reading will be given in January and April. These benchmarks are not used as a grade, but used for instructional purposes. Finally, other local assessments that we will use come from our new reading curriculum, MyView. Each week, students take a progress checkup to determine if they learned what was taught that week. If not, students are provided with instruction to make sure that they learn the grade level skills and standards in small group. At the end of each unit, there is a unit test. This is true for grades K through 5 and are used as grades in grades 3 through 5. Thanks for watching. Keep on reading.